Then that bitch got fat ass.
We out here, you know what I'm saying? Every Saturday night, get over there. You know. You come out here,
let's
check
look
out
around at these cars real quick.
Let's look at my car.
Oh, look at that. Boy, that's black. That's black. That's black beauty right there. Nigga, Brazil, nigga. Tribal, nigga.
Try to bet some money on it, come up on a couple flips, you know, racing and shit. Man.
Exactly. See, a nigga with a plan, bro. You don't see it down there. Right. Look at this nigga.
No, don't put it. Stop recording. Get Alberto's car real quick.
Alberto. Yeah. Alberto. Alberto's car right here.
Nigga, Alberto's car, man.
You wanna get Oscar's bike in this? Oscar Garcia, nigga, class of 2016, my fault, my mistake.
Nigga got a CBR 600. Start putting all that shit.
Yeah, my nigga Tiago gonna get a motorcycle soon.
Yeah, that's
so y'all niggas stay tuned, all right? Why I'm cussing like this, bro? I don't usually cuss.
Get you, Jim.
Oh, get me, nigga.
That's my name, bitch. My man behind the camera.
You know, the man behind the camera, nigga. Add me on Snapchat, Jalen Stone 95. Remember that? Add me on Snapchat, Jalen Stone 95. I need to get more, what they call it?
This nigga dark as hell.
Nigga, get more streaks. Nigga, so nigga? Yeah. I don't know what the fuck you are. Nigga, I should ride this motherfucker. Made a nigga get mad. Pressed it.
Let him know what's up with it.
Yeah, nigga, we out here at Louisville right now. These niggas about to race. Yeah, my nigga Tiago.
Yeah, we out here. Let's see these niggas race real quick.
Oh shit. This shit gonna be like Fast and Furious, nigga.
Put your seatbelt on.
Oh shit, nigga.
Oh, the camera right, nigga.
I'm trying to, nigga. Damn, nigga. I can't even put my damn seatbelt on.
Hey, don't drop the camera outside the fucking window, nigga. Here we go, Jalen.
Hey, Tiago, you must slow down this bit. I gotta put my damn. You're too damn big for this shit.
You got the seatbelt
Yes, sir. Let's go, nigga. It's gonna be like Fast and Furious in this motherfucker.
Hey,
that nigga Oscar in the front.
I'm about to be fucking weak, man.
Whoa! Nigga.
Hold the camera right, nigga. You ain't even aiming at this shit.
Nigga, I am. El Chapo, Calacasara.
Here we go, Jalen.
Oh shit. Are you gonna race with these niggas? Oh shit, this shit's gonna be fun, nigga. I want all the niggas on the farm, nigga. Add me on Snapchat, Jalen Stone 95. Repeat it again.
Oh shit, they taking
Let's go, nigga. Let's go, nigga. We going to the crib. We going to the crib. Let's go. Come on, nigga. Let's go. Come on, Tiago. This nigga Tiago.
I'm not about to get fucking stopped by the police or anything like that, nigga.
Yeah,
he said stay behind.
I can't. Nigga, I'm filming this shit, but nigga,
you see the light?
Yeah, let's get that light.
You got your seatbelt on, nigga?
Yeah, let's go, nigga. That's a nice ass bite to me. Berto, move your ass out of there. That's not Berto. Let's go, nigga, let's go. Roll with it, bro. That nigga got dusty, nigga. It's to the 50, the 40, the 30, the 20, the 10. Touchdown. That nigga.
Get it, Jalen. There you go.
Go, nigga, go. Oh, shit. Go, nigga. Go. Look at Oscar in this motherfucker. Wow, Oscar, nigga. Run away. That shit was what white people do. I don't do that shit. The nigga, well, he's Hispanic, so that's what Hispanic niggas do. What type of race is that? That shit was lame. I got hype for no reason, bro. I feel like I'm about to.
Was gonna Tokyo drift this bitch?
Yeah, man. I feel like you ever had a message from a bitch that you can come over tonight, and then the bitch later on texts you like you can't come over. Cause I'm doing something. That makes you, that's how I feel, bro. This shit makes me that mad. Niggas are lame, bro.
They go very far. Fuck that bitch and her friend like you have not.
Nigga, I've been the loudest one on the damn block.
I have a shootout with that feds. I might kill a cop. Put this red beam on your head. Put my dot. Never nigga fuck with my bread. Watch your body drop. Niggas in the house cause they scared. We pop out a lot. We pull up with Glocks, Mag 90s, got Rugers with mine. And I don't give a fuck about no bitch. I got all that.
For me, nigga, of course. Let's see what nigga about going on this damn food.
Bro, what the fuck is that by your ear, bro?
Ain't nothing on my ear, man.
Right there on the side of your head.
Oh shit, what the fuck is that? Are you fucking bug on me or something? This nigga Tiago's weird, bro.
Bro, I just spotted on the camera, bro. What the fuck? I zoomed through it. Smash steak chicken quesadilla real quick. One time for the... One time for the one time, bro.
Shut your El Paso looking ass up.
Nigga, shut your, I'm the captain of the boat now, head ass, nigga.
Nigga, you talk, that's Brazilian, nigga.
I shit your mother. Go.
Shit messy.
You're like a raped gorilla.
I'm at the whip. See, you gonna take your Karate Kid, Pretty Boy, Fresco, Fish
like,
Montana looking ass on somewhere, bro.
You're like a raped ape eating food right now. Oh my god, bro. Damn, nigga.